This scanner is the same. Now it's test. USB. Okay. Now is the USB function. USB the function. So it's change. It scan the USB COM. Okay. Okay. Now it's no work. No work. Is setting this driver. Scanner the driver. This driver. Charge and driver is okay. Driver is okay. This is test the COM port. Now is the COM is 6. Okay, now it's test. This one is to test the software. Test the software. See that here. It's number the 6. Here is 1, 2 is open. Open test. Okay.